Welcome to my channel. Windstream router login. Open a browser and type http://192.168.254.254 in the address bar. Enter the username, admin and password, admin and click Login. You will be logged into the Windstream router settings. Note, the router IP address, username, and password will be printed on a label on the back of your router. How to change Windstream Wi-Fi password and network name. First, log into the gateway's user interface. Second, select wireless settings from the top menu. Third, go to wireless settings, basic settings. Fourth, enter the Wi-Fi network name in the SSID name field. Fifth, select security key type as use custom key/passphrase and enter your Wi-Fi password in the field. Click Apply.